Super excited to show you guys how easy this floor was to do. Awesome color, super vibrant, and you're gonna learn it all right here at Leggari.com. Welcome back, guys. We're gonna do another floor. We're helping a buddy out coat right over an old paint chip flooring for a custom room he has to make. Calls it his clean room. And we're gonna go right over this. So he's already sanded it, he's primed it, and now we're gonna apply metallic epoxy coat for him. And like we always tell you guys, pour it out in beads. And we're gonna spread it out with the magic trowel. I always like to just push it up to my edges, get my edges done first. So I'll get the edges pushed up and I'll kind of just pull it back. Not applying a lot of pressure, I don't want to pull it all the way. I want to leave a good thick coating down. All right, so now we got it all spread out. We're gonna start rolling it. This will help even the floor out. And keep in mind, guys, we're going right over a paint chip epoxy floor. So he sanded it a little, but it's not completely flat and smooth like a concrete floor would be, or a wood floor. But even at our thickness, it's covered really well. At 45 square foot a gallon, that's what our metallic epoxy floors go down at. And we still got, you know, a quart of highlights to add to it. So we're just rolling it out real quick. You want your roller to be silent. That means you got a good even coat everywhere. It doesn't sound sticky. Rolling it real quick, doesn't take long to roll it. Like I said, this helps even out, level out the floor after you do the magic trowel. So we got a silver base, titanium highlights. They're similar colors. There's definitely a difference to them, but they're similar. We're just gonna pour out puddles randomly all over the floor here. Now we're gonna go and get some of this color right up to the edges. That way we don't have highlights everywhere except the edges. I should just let this sit upside down there. Take my gloves off so I don't get epoxy all over this pole. Now we're just going to swirl this floor together, blending the colors. You want to go different ways, up and down, left and right. It's a really easy technique. Almost impossible to screw up. Just make sure you go different directions. And I'm working my way to get off the floor so I don't have to walk back out it. Once these metallics start to level out and the floor starts to flow, a lot of these colors you're going to see a lot more highs and lows. It kind of looks muted right now. That's normal. The colors and the normalization will happen once you're done with the floor. All right, now that we've got the floor swirled, now I'm going to come out with 91% isopropyl alcohol and our silver metallic powder mixed into it, and we're going to start adding some dispersing effects onto this floor. You can kind of see it. It creates a cool look almost immediately. And just kind of shake it up as you go. This also helps pop bubbles, but you just want to make sure you do it right away once you get off of the floor. And notice how I'm doing bigger ones, thinner ones. And you can do another color too. We could come through with black and do black on this too if you want to do. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, share the video, help us get the word out. This product is amazing and it's changing the countertop and flooring industry. Also, make sure your notifications are turned on. That way you get notified every time we post a new video. Follow us on our social media sites too, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. We're always posting customer installs there, and you can see what people are doing with our products. It's truly amazing. Our systems are one of a kind every time, and remember, Leggari.com has you covered.